If you regularly follow updates about Samsung smartphones, you've likely seen some odd behavior on the screens of the Galaxy S26 Ultra. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. Some owners of this model have been reporting that the phone's display has been taking on a reddish tint. In the photos posted online, some devices appear to be developing a pink rectangle in the center of the screens. It's unclear how many sets are defected, but some claims date as far back as March, shortly after the device was released. Many posts allege that the red color began appearing gradually after several months of use, or people observed it on the demo models in stores. This type of display issue might seem like a trick of the light, but Samsung has confirmed that there's something, although it's not sure yet about the reason. The company said that it's examining the matter internally to confirm the cause. The Galaxy S26 Ultra is Samsung's only smartphone currently on the market with a privacy display feature, so some speculation has suggested this might be the cause. Privacy display has impressed a lot of users for its ability to block over-the-shoulder snooping with almost no change to what the phone's users see. But some buyers had to return their devices after they experienced a range of symptoms, including eye strain, headaches, nausea, and dizziness when using the S26 Ultra. It's also possible this redness defect is a form of burn-in, or that it's being caused by some other environmental cause. The actual reason will stay unknown until Samsung has more to say on the subject. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.